Some people think I'm melodramatic when I call it a crisis. When you look at, what's been happening over the last couple of years, if you think I'm being overly exaggerating when I say it's a crisis, when 92% of the population is suffering, it's a crisis. It's a total crisis. It's not totally out of their hands, and it is preventable and reversible in most cases. There was a report in the Journal of Metabolic Syndrome and Related Disorders back in 2018, and it was updated in 2020. The University of North Carolina published. And basically it said that most of the population is metabolically unwell. Only 12% of American adults are metabolically healthy. When they redid it in 2022, they published that in April, it's down to 8%. 8% of the population is metabolically healthy. What is the chance that you sitting here are metabolically healthy? So we have to really look at this and how can we help the most people? So what do we need to do to protect your clients and patients to restore their metabolic health? I'm going to give you some ideas.